Hi, today I'm going to make you a simplified version of one of the drinks from our menu at TVM. It's called the Pink Preacher. It's based on Cedar's Crisp, which has juniper, chamomile and cucumber, some de-alkalized white wine, this is a muscat, some raspberries, just a touch of sugar, and some herbal tea. Ideally, you would use white tea or even some lightly brewed green tea. I've actually brewed some licorice root because that's what I have, and licorice, raspberry and cucumber are amazing together. Okay, so to start this drink, I'm going to go with just about a half a teaspoon of caster sugar in the bottom of my glass. Then I'm going to get a tea strainer and just get my raspberries. I have about maybe 5 or 6 raspberries. I took these out of my freezer about an hour ago. And what we're going to do is just gently push them through the strainer, like so. So you literally just get the juice straight out of the raspberries. Then I'm just going to stir very quickly just to dissolve the sugar. I'm going to go with 40 ml of tea, $40 ml of muscat, white wine. If you prefer, you could actually make this drink into a low ABV version and use some wine that does have alcohol in it. And then 40 ml of Cedar's Crisp. So to recap on what we've done there, we have half a teaspoon of sugar, about 5 raspberries, we've pushed them through the sieve, give them a little stir. We have 40 ml tea, 40 ml wine and 40 ml Cedar's Crisp. Then we're just going to add a little bit of ice. And give it a stir. You don't want to stir too much. We don't want too much dilution because there's no alcohol in here. We don't need to polish the edges of anything. We're simply combining the ingredients and chilling. Now ideally here, this glass would have come from the freezer. I don't have space in my freezer right now. If you do pop it in and you'll get a nice frosted chilled glass. Then you just strain into the glass. And to garnish, I'm just going to stick a little tulip petal on top that I just picked from my balcony. And there you go, the Pink Preacher.